in the BMW pit. Already a problem with the front suspension, particularly the wheel bearings. Toyota's constantly split flame. You can hear the turbocharger chirping and some blue smoke. And meanwhile, an even bigger problem for Mercedes-Benz. Bernd Schneider, just at the end of the pits, grinds to a halt. Manages to pull the car off actually into the pit lane entrance. No one knows at first what the problem is. The yellow flags wave as the Schneider Mercedes-Benz, in only the second hour, is manoeuvred out of the way, and it looks terminal. It looks like a problem with the engine. Obvious concern in the garage, and Bernd Schneider climbs out. This enormously successful German driver, former GT champion. Meanwhile, Oliver Griard has his visor wiped there in the pits, in the garage, which has got 3 generations of drivers in it. Meanwhile, a major problem for the number 70 Franz Conrad Porsche in GT2, a wheel hanging off that, and he'll limp it back to the pits. The other Conrad car, the number 73 machine, was actually the very first retirement of the race after just 19 minutes with a massive oil leak. Another pit stop for Toyota. The pressure already coming off Toyota with the problem with the Mercedes-Benz, the Schneider. But one of the early surprises of the race was the speed of the prototype BMWs, very new cars, designed in association with Williams Grand Prix Engineering, and very much leading edge. Meanwhile, a new set of Michelins go onto the Toyota here, and the 28 car pulls out now with Emmanuel Collard at the wheel. Martin Brundle, after 2 very quick stints, in the lead of the race, this car. And another Porsche in trouble. This time it's just the tyre which has come off. The Kraus Racing Porsche, the multicoloured machine. 61 car driven by Bernard Müller, Michel Trunk.